Mutation. It is the key to our evolution. It has enabled us to evolve from a single-celled organism into the dominant species on the planet. In this video, let's talk about the mutation that has happened in the coronavirus.
Coronavirus. The COVID-19 pandemic is considered as the most crucial global health calamity of the century, and the greatest challenge that the humankind faced since the Second World War. The pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide, and presents an unprecedented challenge to public health, food systems, and the world of work. It has rapidly spread all around the world, causing enormous health, economic, environmental, and social challenges to the entire human population.
Mutation refers to an alteration in the genetic material of a cell of a living organism, or of a virus that is more or less permanent, and that can be transmitted to the cells or the virus's descendants. Mutation is the property of a virus to undergo changes when it multiplies. As it replicates, it may not produce exact replicas of itself, resulting in the emergence of new strains, which may be more or at times less effective. Some strains die out, while the more effective ones, which spread efficiently, will survive. Viruses like corona have their own genetic code. In this case, the coronavirus has RNA as its genetic material. But their problem is that they don't have the machinery to copy their own genetic material. So this virus needs a human or an animal cell machinery to reproduce themselves. The virus, after entering into a cell, releases its own material and hijacks the cell's protein-making machinery. Thus the cell starts serving the virus by producing thousands and thousands of new virus particles, which are released to other cells of the body. Coronavirus, which causes COVID-19, while replicating or multiplying, make imperfect copies of themselves as they spread from person to person, or from an animal to a person, leading to constant mutations, and results in formation of new variants of the virus. Vaccines teach our immune system to respond to a virus by recognizing some key sign of it. Mutations that affect the parts of the virus the immune system recognizes can help a virus thwart a vaccine's effectiveness. The first vaccines that have been authorized in the US for COVID-19 targets a particular protein, called the spike protein, that the coronavirus uses to infect people. So mutations of that protein could potentially make a vaccine less effective. But even if the mutations in current variants of the virus have some impact on the vaccine's efficacy, it's likely that the vaccines could still be highly effective. Taking into consideration the lower case fatality ratio in the country, and the very high levels of asymptomatic cases, does not indicate that these variants are more dangerous versions. We should remember that the virus needs a host to survive, multiply and spread further. If the pathogen is lethal, it kills the host organism. And if the sufficient number of hosts die, the virus dies out too. So let's conclude that mutating viruses are more contagious, but the virulence of such virus continues decreasing with each mutation, and so, mutation is not something to be worried about, because it results in a milder strain. The mortality caused by this virus is low, but it is spreading very fast compared to the original virus. Alright guys. That's it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about all our new videos. If you are willing to watch our previous video, Then click right here.